Assalamu alaikum. We are now standing at ICAR, Indian Institute of Oil Palm Research, one of the India's most important center of oil palm research. This institute provides us quality, productivity and sustainability of oil palm. Scientists here studies more variabilities, pest and disease, modern farming techniques and processing methods, so farmers can grow oil palm more efficiently. This institute also provides training and support for farmers and students, so it makes a key to contribute the agriculture development of our country. We are thankful to MAKA for giving us valuable opportunity to explore, visit and learn. Let's attentive, disciplined and excited to discover more education inside. Thank you.
Light produced, which means luminescence, from the samples, and it converts into data for analysis.
On the 8th of December 2025, our enthusiastic MAKA CBSE School students stepped out of the classroom and into the world of scientific discovery. They visited the prestigious Palm Oil Research Institute, where innovation, sustainability, and science come together. Expert scientists welcomed our students and introduced them to the fascinating process of palm oil cultivation from seedlings to mature plantations. Our young learners observed how palm trees grow, how the fruit is harvested, and how agriculture is transforming modern industries. The interactive demonstrations sparked curiosity as students engaged directly with researchers, asking questions and learning through real-world experience. Exploring the research campus, they gained deeper knowledge of environmental sustainability, agricultural science, and future innovations in the field. It was a joyful and exciting learning journey, filled with discovery, teamwork, and inspiration.